Hi. Hey, you wanna go first or me?
It don't matter.
What's up, everybody? It's AstroMoto. Me and Aaron got the four-wheeler running, so we're about to take it up the trail. I'm making him go first because screw the trees. Oh no. We're just beeping at him. Hell yeah, I'm over here wheeling this. You better stop, Aaron. Hey, I said we turn around. Hey, what I would do is I would turn right, dump the clutch, and spin it around. And make sure you don't stall it. You dummy. Aaron's a dummy sometimes, I swear. Aaron, if you're seeing this, you're a dummy. You ride like a goon. Oh, fuck. Let me put my visor down. There we go. Damn, now I can see. Yeah, I take care of my grom. Hope he stops. I ain't telling him we should go to Chances. Oh god. Hey, let's go on the block. Let's go to Chances. Went from sit down to stand up. Look at old Aaron. Yeah, we're doing about 40 right now. Look how much it vibrates. That thing is barely held together. I just want to say that. It was fun though. It was something really fun to make. So yeah, it's just an adventure day, I guess. Haven't rode in a while. Just saying, you gotta let out of the gas. Got him leaning. There you go, good job.
Yo.
Are you at home?
No, I'm up here. Just met with Chad and them.
Alright, I'll see you, bro.
Alright, later.
How is it though? It looks wicked, bro. It sounds cool. It's loud. Let's go. You got this, Aaron. You got this. Damn, he's pulling on me. You can see the clutch bouncing up and down. See, that's what I need. I need me one of them. Alright. I'm gonna try it again. I can go from a stand-up wheelie to a sit-down, but I can't. I want to go from a sit-down to a stand-up. I'm good. Woo! Huh? Oh, I'm good. I missed the peg and my foot hit the ground. Thank God for this thing. I think we're good. Dude, was you watching the whole time?
No, I heard the wave once again and you done.
I didn't fall though. Give me my seat. I almost ate shit. Homie, that was close. Homie, that was real close. Dude, you know them videos where people get dizzy and they start running, but they can't run fast enough. Look at my kickstand. Alright. Alright, if you liked today's video, leave a comment, like, subscribe, because I'm a dumbass. But yeah. That's a good way to end the video. But I'll see y'all next time. Peace.